Straight eighths, one end, versus a swung eighth. Do-ba, do-ba. Welcome back to Sing with Cinderella. In this series, I help singers of all different skill levels reach their full singing potential. In today's episode, we are talking about the difference between a straight eighth versus a swung eighth note. So they will look the exact same on paper, but they're going to be given different note values based off of that one little marking saying that it's swung. It's in the swung tempo, swung feel. Make sure you stick with me to the very end of this video as I take you through curated examples to see the difference between straight and swung rhythms. We're gonna hear the difference, we're gonna see the difference, and it's gonna be loads of fun to really cement those concepts. If you're excited about this video, go ahead and give it a like down below, subscribe to my channel, click the bell for notifications, and let's get into it. So we have eighth note, eighth note. The first one is going to be given a longer note value than the second one. So rather than saying 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, it's going to become 1, 2, 3, 4. So I like to put it on scat syllables. Do ba do ba do ba do ba. Here we go. Snap the tempo. Here we go. Do ba do ba do ba do ba. So we can really feel the length of the do with that longer vowel. Do ba short, long short, long short, long short, long short. So the downbeat is always going to be on the bottom every time I'm snapping. 1, 2, 3, 4. The top is going to show halfway through, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, but the weight is given on the 1, 2, 3, 4. But that top part is halfway through, right? That would be the even eighth, the straight eighth. Another way that the swung eighth can be broken down is by triplets. So if I were to just play the triplets, it would sound like this. So now if we tie together the first 2 eighth notes in the triplet group, we would have ba, 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 rather than triplet, 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 or if you're familiar with the 1 la-lay, 2 la-lay, 3 la-lay, 4 la-lay. Each triplet is fitting in one beat, just like 2 eighth notes would fit in one beat, right? So now it's just a different way of thinking about it and subdividing it. So it would be da, that's just a regular triplet. Now tie those front 2 together for each group. Da, 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 da. And that's the same as do, ba, do, ba, do, ba, do, ba in the eighths. So that would mean that our swung eighths, 1, 2, on paper equal the same as the triplets with the tied 2 eighth notes in the beginning of each triplet. To really cement the concept now, I have some sample exercises in straight versus swung feels. So I will show first the straight example and then the swung example right after. They're going to be the exact same rhythms on paper, but one will be straight and one will be swung, so we can really feel and sense the difference. So this first one's going to be pretty easy, just pretty simple. You can go ahead and follow the video, do it on da, or do it on the number system 1 and 2 and wa, whatever you would like and whatever is going to be easiest. Feel free to pause this video, play it back, and keep on practicing. Here's the first one. Straight. And now swung. Number 2, we're going to add some syncopation. Here's the straight version. And now here's the swung. We're ramping things up here on the third one. We're going to add some 16th notes. Make sure you acknowledge the rest. And swung rhythm. All right, let's really put things into context. These are 2-bar phrases. These are examples that I've just made up, but they were inspired by actual pieces of music and rhythms that I've seen in my own music, and then I just spiced them up a little bit. Here's the first one. And now swung, try it out. Number 2, let's do it. Here's straight. Enjoy that triplet, enjoy that syncopation, swung. Whew! All right. right, number 3. This is going to be a challenge, but you are going to feel so accomplished when you can get it down. Remember that you can always pause the video, go back, rewind, play it again. Here's the straight. And now swung. To round things off, we have what I like to call 4-bar phrases for fun. Okay, so for this one, we're just doing swung rhythms. We've already done a lot of straight ones. We're just going to do the swung version of it and really feel the swing. So we're gonna snap on 2 and 4. This is gonna be in 4-4, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. So really feel that groove, and here is number 1. And our final little excerpt. And that's the difference between a straight versus a swung 8th note. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a like before you go. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications. Let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see in future videos. And check out these other videos on my channel. Stay updated, get notified, and I hope to see you next time on Sing with Cinderella.